Installing a RAID flash power module. The RAID flash power module could be installed on the 2.5-inch chassis, the air baffle, or in the PCIe slot 3.
Open the retention clip on the holder. Put the RAID flash power module into the holder and press it down to secure it. Connect the RAID flash power module cables.
Open the retention clip on the holder and install the RAID flash power module. Press it down to secure it to the holder. Open the retention clip on the holder and install the RAID flash power module. Press it down to secure it to the holder. Turn the latch on the riser bracket to the open position. Align the RAID flash power assembly with the slot on the riser card, and then carefully press the RAID flash power assembly into the slot until it is securely seated. Close the retention clip. Install the riser assembly. Connect the RAID flash power module cable. Install the top cover.